Depositing money into your KeyBank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your funds are deposited correctly. Step 1. Visit a KeyBank branch. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the @com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Prepare your deposits. Gather the cash or checks you wish to deposit. If you are depositing checks, ensure they are properly endorsed on the back. Step 3. Fill out a deposit slip. At the branch, request a deposit slip from a teller or use one available in the lobby. Fill in your account number, the amount of cash and / or checks you are depositing, and sign the slip. Step 4. Submit your deposits. Hand the completed deposit slip along with your cash or checks to the teller. They will process your deposit and provide you with a receipt for your records. Step 5. Use online or mobile banking optional. If you prefer to deposit electronically, you can use KeyBank's mobile app to take a picture of your check and deposit it directly into your account. Follow the app instructions for mobile deposits. By following these steps, you can easily deposit money into your KeyBank account. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a bank representative for assistance.